It's Pete from Jeep Homesteading. I'm in the garage today, and I wanted to show you what I picked up at a garage sale this weekend. I picked up a 1958 Homelite zip saw. I saw it, I couldn't pass it up. I love old chainsaws. Homelite is not one of those big brands that people collect. Like there's the Pioneers and the Domars. There is a Homelite following and everything, but it's just not the same. But I do have a connection to Homelite because my dad had a Homelite XL12, which is I think it's the 70s, late 60s, 70s chainsaw. And that is the chainsaw he used his whole life. I don't think he ever bought another one after that. And I still remember the chainsaw running in the bush and the smell of two-stroke oil. It's funny, those memories you had as a child stick with you. So I have a connection with Homelite, and I thought, you know what, maybe I should start collecting Homelite chainsaws. It's not like I don't have any more hobbies I need to keep going, but I love chainsaws, and this thing came up. This is a manageable project. It's not like restoring a tractor or whatever. There's only so many parts. So I thought, you know what? We're gonna make a series of videos on getting this thing running, getting it all painted up, new decals, and then this winter, I'm gonna take it out with me a few times, and we're going to make a few videos and see how a 1958 chainsaw runs. I'll show you the chainsaw. So there you go. He wanted 60 for it. I paid 50 for it. It's in pretty good shape, really, because magnesium can corrode bad. There's very few places that have bad corrosion. There is a little bit where it sits on the ground, and that's why you don't sit your magnesium chainsaws on concrete, because they corrode. It has the old bar on it, and you know the ones with the front of the bar is wider than the back? That's kind of cool. So really, all the pieces are here. It's very accurate. I think this one's 1958 or so. I saw a website with the serial numbers and everything, and after I went out and looked at the serial number, I couldn't find the website again. But I remember when it was the early 900,000 serial numbers, I think that was closer to 58. So if any of you guys know, you can tell me. Okay, so it's got the old style cap. There's the Tillotson carburetor, and here is the choke. That's pretty awesome. Everything seems to be here, so this could be a really fun little project for sure. This is what I do. I get another project when I have tons of other projects to do, and I'm already behind. But you know what? This is darn fun. I like doing this. What I did, I looked online, and on eBay they had a carburetor kit. I ordered that. I ordered a decal set. There's a company online called Sugar Creek, and they make decals for all kinds of old chainsaws. So I ordered them up. It might take a little while. They said it takes 10 to 12 days to print up the decals. You know what? I'm okay with that. So I matched up paint for it. I got that. So we're going to wait for all the parts to come in before we start the project. I want to make sure if I start on it, I can just finish it, because I'll actually be able to finish it. Because if I get off a project, it seems like so hard to get back to it. So whenever the parts come in, we're going to start on this project. It should be a really fun series. See you guys, have a good one.